Hello everyone, today we are going to make 3D fox. So let's start. Take a sheet and fold it into half. Now fold this again into half. Now fold the side to the center line. And do the same with the other. Now open this. Now take this part and make a triangular shape. And do the same with the other one. Now flip it over and fold this part like this. And the other side to the center too. Now make 3 folds. First one like this. Now the second one. Now the third one. Now flip this over and do the same with the opposite direction. Make 3 folds. The second one here. And then the third one and the last one also. Now hold it like this and pull this. And insert your finger inside and press the front part inside also. Press it well. Now it looks something like this. Now let's fold the ears like this, so it looks much more better. It's ready. Now it looks like this. Now let's draw the eyes. I am using a black glitter pen. You can use a ball pen or any other marker also. Now let's do the other eye also. I'm again using the black glitter pen. Now let's make the ears look much more better. Make a triangle shape like this. And do the same thing with the other ear also. Now let's make the nose. I'm using a brown marker. You can use a pen in any other color also. Now let's fill the ears with the color. I'm using a yellow oil pastel color. You can use any other color also, like pink. Yay! We made a 3D looking fox. You can also play with this. And if you want to play with this, take a sheet and make your own 3D looking fox right now. Stay tuned for more creative ideas.